Hi, this is Chris, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the watch, which is very famous among the community of watch collectors. It's Seiko sarb033. I know everybody got one, but I didn't. So now it's my turn. Let's open this box. Don't know where to start. There. Okay. So there it is, the Seiko box. Okay, sarb033, that's the one. So we got warranty valid only in Japan. Okay, it's not gonna work here. Book and the box. And there it is. Well, it's already ticking. It's very nice. It's not scratches, it's just dirt from the pillow in the box. So my first impression is that this watch is very beautiful, as expected. Here is the sticker. So it's a watch which is made in Japan for the Japanese domestic market. That's why the sticker is written in Japanese. As we can see, the polish is very nicely done, and so is the brushed case here, the brushing of the case. Well, the crown is very smooth. Okay, it's hacking. It seems to work properly. What about the date? Well, I might say that I'm very impressed by the quality of the bracelet. Look at this, it's just gorgeous. The polished sides, the brushing is done, I might say, perfectly, and the chamfering, which is polished, is a really nice touch. The clasp looks perfect. And this part here. So the movement is the 6R15, and you can see it here. I think it's beautiful. I like it very much. That's a very nice back with this see-through case back. And can't wait to put it on my wrist, so let's try it on. Of course, I haven't sized it yet, but there it is on my 6 3/4 inch wrist. I wear it like this usually. I think it's very nice. I like the size. I was afraid it was a little bit too big compared to a 36 because it's a 38 and I have a similar 36 diameter watch, but I don't think so. I don't think it's big. From the side, I like the side of the case very much, with all these sides, the polish of the side of the bracelet too, the curve of the lugs. I think it's a very nice watch. I might buy the cream one too. Until now I resisted, but no, let's enjoy this one first. And the bracelet is really good. I knew this, but it's much. It's better in real life than on pictures and on videos. The quality is fantastic. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.